It'd be nice, man. Y'all see though? Your boy added the lights. Zam YouTube, man. It's your boy Young J. You see today, bro, we got the stars in the challenge, you feel me? But look, I'm gonna do like a DIY tutorial and like show y'all how I did my install on my car, you feel me? So like maybe if y'all got like a similar setup, y'all could just do the same thing in y'all car. But look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Let's get to the video, man. I'm close to 500 subscribers, bro. Let's get that, man. And the next road probably gonna be like to 1,000, you feel me? Or even more. But look, y'all stay tuned, man. I got a lot more videos coming. But let's get to the installation. So look, y'all boys, the first step, man, just snap this pillar, bro. And they gonna have like a little string. Not even a string, but it's gonna be like another little snapping. You see that? You just gotta push in on the snapping, bro. When you pushing on it, it's gonna pull. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got it. Once y'all boys on snip it, bro, you can literally just pull the whole thing out, bro. So just pull this out. You can just sit that down, bro. So next up will be the visor up top, bro. So you're gonna have to do both visors, and y'all can see that. They're like star bits. I don't know what size. But yeah, that's star bits. But I'm about to knock them off real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all after I knock them off. So look, they what we using. Make the process. Y'all see, bro? I just snapped it out of here. Took the screws out, and even one of the screws still in there. I got the other 2 screws, but once you take this off, bro, just know you one step closer, my boy. So as y'all can see, I took the passenger side off and the driver's side, and it's just this. And this is how it should look. The next step is going to be up here, bro. And I don't have one on the driver's side. I just got one on my passenger side. But it's pretty easy to take out. You just take a flathead, pry it a little bit. Once it get like a little wiggle room, you feel me? Then it's gonna slide like that. And just do this side now. Let me show you. To pry it. That's it. It should slide. You see that? Once it slide, they just got 2 screws right here that you gotta take out. Okay, so as y'all can see, I took the little screws out, and it was next. All you do is just snap it out, and this will come off, bro. It's pretty easy. You just put it right there, pry it down, and boom, just like that. They got a screw. Y'all see it? One tiny little screw right there. Just gotta take that screw off, bro. And the one on the other side, I took the coat hangers off now, off of both sides. You see what I'm saying? It just pulls straight out, bro. And once you pull it out, you see that screw right there, bro? Looking dead at me. We got this one snapping. We just pull it off. I'm about to take this butt out real quick. So boom, as y'all can see, we got her unsnapped. And right up in there, let me hit the light again. Y'all probably, man, it's a bolt right up in there, bro. And I'm about to go right up in there. Take that bolt right out. So, show y'all. You see what I'm saying? The rest is literally snapping back here, bro. You can pull this off. This part don't have any screws in it. It's just snapped together. You see that? See how it snapped right there? So I'm gonna pull them off just like that. Yeah, see they got that same thing from the front. You just push on that and it'll come straight off. But I'm about to take all this off and I'm okay, bro. You see we got that one. We got this one off. Everything off. Y'all really see. I'm gonna try to turn on my flash. Nah, I ain't gonna make it no better. But look, just grab right here and just pull. It's really all snapping, bro. So you should literally just be able to pull down, unsnap it. You know what I'm saying? Once you do that, the back is loose. Alright, so y'all can see, you feel me? I took off that part to where it's fully loose. You see, the visor could actually. Okay, so as y'all can see, bro, one side is this part right here, which is fairly easy. It's really just snapping, bro. You really can pull it with your hand. Really not that hard. You see, once it comes down, and you see mine seems to be already unplugged. Maybe I just unplugged it just now. It's right up in here. You see this little plug? You just pull it out, simple as that. This screw might be here. Just remove the screw, bro, and you should be able to take the headliner down. As y'all can see, I took the screw out. I just put it down on. I'll show y'all that process. Full headliner down. Now I'm about to just bend it to get it up out of here. Okay, so we got the full headliner out of the car, bro. I'm about to fill in this area and right there, and I'm gonna show y'all what I've done. Pieces in here, which I'm about to do real quick, and I just wanted to show y'all how it looked before I started. And once I add these in here, I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I finish. I did majority of the front. I just gotta continue doing the I mean, my bad. This the back. This, bro, like, I know I ain't give y'all like a proper tutorial. I mean, I ain't, it's not really nothing too hard. Literally, all I do, like, I just pull one out and I put it in the box. And you see the string. Let me get the string right real quick. Not the string, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The LED strip, put it right in the hole, and I just push it straight through. Where I had the you see it's going through. I just keep pulling it all the way through. Keep pulling it through, bro. I know it's crazy, but I ain't gonna. I mean, it's not really nothing too crazy. I just want to show y'all the actual process, so y'all don't think I'm skipping steps or nothing like that. And when if you doing it right, bro. Tell you too, man. You see, I only got these two left right here, and the two, what you call them for them, is right here. 1 and 2. So I'm about to put these two back. So y'all can see, bro, going over and putting glue. I done put the glue everywhere. That's why they got all these little dots. Now we just about to put it back on. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so as y'all can see, we got them in. Y'all see though, this boy added the lights. I've been looking crazy right now, bro. Just wait till we finish though, bro. It's gonna look even better, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I'm done. Yo, what's good, man? My bad. Hey, look, y'all see though, bro. I got 2 more. These are the last 2, bro. I just gotta download the app on my phone, but I could change it to any color, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's dope, bro. It looks crazy. I ain't gonna lie, and I ain't put nothing. I probably like, why they got a patch? I ain't really want nothing too close to like the window, cause it's like, bro, you gotta think about it. That's how, like, sometimes you'll be able to see the light sometimes, like from the outside. That's why I kind of got it like actually in the middle, cause I don't want you to be able to see it from the outside. That's the main thing. You know what y'all think, man? Y'all got any questions on how to put this in y'all car, bro? Just comment it down below, bro. I'll help y'all, bro, cause it's really not that hard. I just gotta download the app now, but I'm gonna just keep it like this, cause I like this one. This is the one that changed colors. It's I believe it say breathe. That's what it say on here. But man, I got some more mods I'm gonna do to this thing, bro. I'm not done yet, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. I told you we about to continue to turn up, man. This is just the beginning, though. We got a lot more bangers coming, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next one, though. Peace.